Let us apply the joins on the real time on the database of the classic models here. So let me show you the tables here. So we have two tables here. One is product table and the product line table. So let me first show you the tables here. So I'm using select star from the products table. Select star from the product line table. Let me execute these two tables, and now you can see you have a product line here in the second table. Product line, text description, HTML and the image. In first product table you have a product code and you have a product name. Yeah, here you can see in the product table we have one column called a product line that can be matching with the second table, that is your product line table, with the product line. You can see this. So there are only, this can be a dim table, so there can be all the varieties of products here, product line, and the details or the fact table is here, which is having the repeated values here inside the product table. Now if you want to know the text description of the classic cars or the motorcycle or the planes, what is the text description in your table, you need to start joining the products table with your product lines. So you can see here the product line from the product table and the product line from the product lines table are having a matching column, and if you want a text description from the product lines table, so let us use a inner join that will have a matching rows between the two tables. So I'll be using an inner join here. So select, let me decide the column names later on. From the products table, first I'll rename this as T1, and then inner join product lines T2, then on T1 dot your product line column equal to T2 dot product line, and now I'm going to have the product line from the T1 table, T1 dot product line column, comma T, from T2 I'll be having the text description. That's it. Okay, now let me run this and check the output. You can see this. So you will be getting two columns. So for the classic cars, you have a text description. For the planes you have a text description, and for the ships you have a plain description, and so on. So instead of product line you can have different columns. You can have a product name also. You will be getting a text description from for that product name also. So let me show you. Yeah, so for the product name, you can see for the product name you want a description. So instead of a product line you can have a product name and a description for that. So let me execute this now. So you can see for this product name the description is this one for this product name, and you got the description according to that. So this is how you can use a inner join for products table and the product line